A sea cucumber.
Just mine.
You right in there. You right there. You. Are you focused? Hey. Are you listening to me? Are you focused? You gotta be focused for this.
Regenerate its organs within just 1 month.
Dee Dee, pay attention. You are sleeping. I was just resting my eyes, Dexter. This is very important. You will have to stay awake so that I can sleep.
Happy? Happy, you're missing it!
Now listen up. There is a thin line between pleasure and pain. You must monitor my dream in the unlikely event my machine fails and I slip into another nightmare.
Hey. Don't fall asleep.
Dee Dee, I'm awake, Dexter!
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Furthermore, should I cross the line into nightmare territory, it will be your duty to press the dream ejector button.
Good.
Catapulting me back to conscious reality. Okay then, to the dream station.